Hi, I'm Bob Hancock from the Google Ads API Developer Relations team, and I'll be talking with Jessica Au, the product manager for assets, about how PMax creates assets using AI to improve campaign performance. We all know that PMax has minimum requirements for text and image assets, and we suggest that a customer upload the maximum number of assets allowed as a best practice. What are the advantages to uploading more than the minimum?
Yeah, uploading more than the minimum will increase the creative combinations that PMax can kind of create on your behalf. We encourage breadth and depth in assets, which will in turn increase your ad strength. We found that advertisers who improve their PMax ad strength to excellent see 6% more conversions on average.
Oh, okay. So apart from uploading, quote, good assets, is there other criteria that our AI uses to create assets?
Yeah, so we take the assets that you upload as a first input, and then we mix and match these assets in creatives across channels that Performance Max serves on. And AI can do more with these assets as well. We have automatically created assets for text, for example, that can optimize text assets based on the assets that you upload, your landing page, and a given serving context so that we can create the most performant creatives possible. For images and videos, we're introducing new AI-powered enhancements as well. Something coming later this year is automatic trimming of your advertiser uploaded videos. Like AI will essentially look through your video, find the highlights, and then shorten your video down to those highlights so that the video can be more performant on YouTube. And that's just kind of like the surface of new like AI powered automation techniques that we're using to increase performance.
So it will take the video and not just shorten it at either end, but it will determine what are the best parts, for lack of a better term, and then stitch those together into a single video?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's cool. Okay. Now, when you upload assets, and you mentioned also too that we look at your landing page. So that implies that we're looking to understand your business so that we're not just looking at text and creating something that's similar, but something which is descriptive of your business and your goals. Is that a correct assumption?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so the takeaway from that then would be you should upload assets that are as descriptive of your business and goals as possible so the AI can use these to learn to create new assets that could improve your performance and not just upload, I don't want to say random, but the more specific you can be that it describes your business, the better AI can optimize. Is that a fair point?
I think AI optimizes based on like a given context and the historical performance of the past assets that you've uploaded. Like we've seen like a wide range of like kind of like the specificity of assets that an advertiser uploads. And I know that there are a lot of constraints based on like the brand that's been developed by the advertiser as well. So we will work with your landing page and your uploaded assets to automate what's most performant if you're opted into that. But we do our best to learn, and we understand that there are constraints for any given advertiser.
Now, you'd mentioned we look at the context. Could you explain what you mean by that?
Yeah. So for example, like we have a feature called final URL expansion that PMax customers can opt into. And this will send traffic to the most relevant parts of a landing page given a specific query, for example. So if say like a query is for like Nike women's shoes, for example, if the customer had like final URL expansion on, if someone searched for Nike women's shoes, even if the advertiser had only uploaded like Nike.com as a final URL for their asset group, we could create a like text URL combination that directed customers to Nike.com/women's shoes as like a completely hypothetical example.
Okay. Well, so it pretty much sounds like you get the right assets, you upload them. I don't want to say you forget about it, but Google does the rest of the work to improve performance of your campaign. So is there anything else that you can think of that we should know about assets?
Yeah, I mean, I think like I would really encourage customers to get to excellent ad strength and just try and maximize the breadth and depth of assets created per asset group. Um, and yeah, it was great talking to everyone.
So with that, I hope everyone enjoys the workshop, and thank you very much again, Jessica.